Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you enjoyed all your holidays, Diwali holidays. Though we already had a live class, but still today we are meeting for the studies. Now we will start our annual exam syllabus. So today you have your English class. We will start our English new chapter. Okay, so all of you open your Raintree English book. Open your English book to page number 47. Page number 47. Lesson number 6. Tarun's new bag. On top you can write annual syllabus. Write CW and today's date. Yes, write CW and today's date. We will start with a new lesson number 6. Tarun's new bag. You also, when you come to school, you buy a new bag for yourself, isn't it? So in this chapter we will study about Tarun and his new bag. Warm up. Have you ever lost anything? क्या आपने कभी कुछ खोया है? Have you lost anything? Tell the teacher the answer of these questions. What thing did you lose? आपने क्या खोया? Where did you find it? फिर आपको वो चीज़ कहाँ पर मिली? Who helped you find it? किसने आपकी हेल्प करी उसको चीज़ को ढूंढने के लिए? What did you say to them? And after when you find the thing, what do you say to them? Do you say thank you or not after that? Now we start with the chapter. This is the picture and this is Tarun. Today is Tarun's first day at school. First day he is going to school. Look, Tarun, says his mother. Mother is standing and he is saying to Tarun, this is your new bag. You can take it to school. New bag is there for Tarun and he has to take to school. Thank you, says Tarun. Tarun mummy को बोल रहा है thank you. I like the bag. It is blue and green. The color combination is blue and green. Tarun puts the bag on his back. He has put the bag on his back. Tarun's mother puts an orange and some biscuits into his bag. Tarun की मम्मी ने उसके बैग में क्या दिया है? Orange and some biscuits. Goodbye, Tarun. Tarun's mother is saying goodbye, says his mother. Have a nice day at school. You have a nice day at school because this is your first day at school. Goodbye, Ma, says Tarun. Tarun also replies back, good day. Who says these words? This is your new bag. You can take it to school. Who said this? Tarun's mother. I like the bag. It is blue and green. Who said this? Tarun. Yes, turn the page to page number 48. Soon Tarun is in his classroom. Now Tarun has reached school and he is going to his classroom. Miss Menon is his teacher. Miss Menon is the name of his teacher. You can underline it. In school, Tarun listens and reads stories. He writes in his notebook. In school, Tarun listens to his teachers and reads stories. Whatever stories are there in his book. He writes in his notebook also. In the break, in between they have a break, he eats the orange and the biscuits. So, break में he eats the orange and biscuits which his mother gave him. After some time, the school bell rings. After some time, after some periods, the bell rings. Clang, clang, it is time to go home. Now it was time to go home. Oh no, I can't see my bag, says Tarun. Now Tarun is in tension and he's saying, oh no, now it is time to go home and I cannot find my bag. Is it on your table? Asks Miss Menon. Miss Menon is asking, is it on your table? No, it isn't, says Tarun. Tarun is saying, no, it is not there on my table. Tarun starts to cry. He started crying because that is new bag. Today only he got to school. Is your bag new? Asks Miss Menon. Now Miss Menon, his teacher, is asking, is your bag new? Yes, it is, says Tarun. Tarun is saying, yes, ma'am, I have a new bag today. And it is blue and green in color. He's even describing his bag. Yes, I can see it, says Miss Menon. Now Miss Menon is saying, I can see it. But Tarun cannot see. It's a little comedy in the end. आपको भी सुन के हंसी आएगी. Where? Asks Tarun. Tarun पूछ रहा है कहाँ है? You can see it and I cannot see. It's on your back. तुम्हारे back में see. He's hanging the bag. Oh, thank you, Miss Menon, says Tarun. He smiles and he started smiling, saying, thank you, Miss Menon. I found my bag at last. Now complete these sentences. Tarun has orange and biscuits for tiffin. For tiffin, his mother gave him orange and biscuits. So you can write here. The spellings are given here, orange and biscuits. Then Miss Menon asks Tarun if his bag is new, N-E-W, new, and question mark also with it. Tarun found his bag on his back, okay, on his back. So this finishes the chapter. Very nice and easy going chapter. Now we will do next page, page number 49 in comprehension, objective type questions. A. Tick write the correct answer to these questions. First, is Tarun's bag new or old? What color is it? Tarun's bag is new or old, and you have to tell the color also. So it is new, green and white? No. It is old? No. It is new, blue and green? Yes. So put a tick mark here. Second, what does Tarun's mother put in his bag? An orange and some biscuits? Yes. This is the right answer. Third, who is Miss Menon? Tarun's neighbor? Neighbor जो हमारे आसपास पड़ोसी रहते हैं उनको बोलते हैं neighbor. Tarun's neighbor? No. Tarun's mother? No. Tarun's teacher? Yes, Tarun's teacher. Miss Menon is Tarun's teacher. Fourth, where does Miss Menon and Tarun's bag? On the desk? No. On Tarun's back? Yes. Under the chair? No. The question and answers, I'll send you the PDF. Now next page, page number 50, under the heading grammar, this is the activity exercise of this and that. So you can put a cross here. Okay. Next page 51 also you can put a cross. We will not do this. Yes, page 52 we will do vocabulary. Okay. Look at these pictures and words. Now this is the picture of your classroom. And this is the picture of your room, classroom. So, class plus room is equals to classroom. So, in the same way this activity is given, the pictures are given. You have to write the words below and make that word. Okay. Star, fish. So, you write here starfish. Second, fire, F-I-R-E, fire, plus fly, F-L-Y. So, you write here firefly, F-I-R-E-F-L-Y. Third, foot, ball. So, foot, F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. Fourth, hand. And this is the pic of chair. Hand chair, H-A-N-D-C-H-A-I-R. Fifth one, doorbell. So doorbell, D-O-O-R, door, B-E-L-L, doorbell. Next page 53, speaking. So here you had the chapter of Tarun and Miss Menon. Now here is the picture given, and after seeing this picture you have to answer these questions. First question, whom does Sam live with? Sam lives with his family. Second, does Sam have a little sister? Yes, Sam has a little sister, little sister sitting next to him. Third, does Sam have a dog? No, Sam has a cat. You can see the pic of cat. So you write a cat. Fourth, are they having fun? Yes, they have got eatables and ball. Eatables खाने की चीजें and ball. So E-A-T-A-B-L-E-S, eatables and ball. Page 54 also you can put a cross on top. Page 55, writing section, you put a tick mark. Tarun is going to school. In this picture you can see Tarun is going to school. Connect the dots and color the bus. This bus is there. Dots are given. You have to connect them. वो bus का form हो जाएगा and then you have to color it of any choice. Okay. Now this exercise we will do. Now complete these sentences. Tarun wears his school uniform. It is blue in color. You can see the blue uniform color. Okay. Second, he goes to school in a bus. You can see the bus. So B-U-S, bus. Third, the bus is orange. Now in my book I have done orange color. So it is orange in color. So you can also do orange color and then you can write here the spelling of orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Okay. Fourth, he carries a bag. School bag, right? B-A-G, bag on his back. So here this completes this chapter. Question answers I will send you the PDF. You have to read this chapter loudly in your room at least 2 to 3 times. ठीक है, जोर जोर से रीडिंग लगानी है चैप्टर की. Thank you.